It took 17 flights of the Indian Air Force planes and flights of Indigo Air, 5 sorties or voyages of Indian Navy ships, and indomitable courage of our soldiers, officials, and of course Indians to bring back almost 4,000 Indians stuck in war-hit Sudan. The Government of India launched Operation Kaveri on 14th April and completed the mission on 5th May 2023. Let's understand about Sudan, the what and why of the crisis in Sudan, the Operation Kaveri, and other such operations by the Government of India. Welcome to Pathanti Gyan Ka Microdose. First of all, about Sudan. Sudan is a country in the Greater Horn of Africa. Wait, what is the Horn of Africa? Djibouti, Eritrea, Ethiopia and Somalia in the Eastern Africa are called Horn of Africa because of their shape. And what is the Greater Horn of Africa? Apart from these four countries, Kenya, South Sudan, Sudan and Uganda are together known as the Greater Horn of Africa. Capital of Sudan is Khartoum. The Blue Nile and the White Nile meet here and flow north as the Nile River. Microdose. Sudan is a mineral-rich country. Sudan has deposits of gold, silver, iron, zinc, copper, uranium, etc. Sudan has vast oil reserves which are concentrated in the southern region bordering South Sudan. Wait, is there another Sudan? Yes. Prior to 2011, South Sudan, predominantly Christian, was part of Sudan, which is predominantly Muslim and Arab. In 2011, South Sudan became an independent country and 193rd member of the United Nations. Microdose. Number 2. What is the crisis in Sudan and why this crisis? The 2023 crisis in Sudan is due to conflict between the Sudanese army led by Abdel Fattah al-Burhan and its paramilitary force, Rapid Support Forces (RSF), led by Mohammed Hamdan Dagalo. The roots of the 2023 crisis are in 2019 when the 30-year-old dictatorship of Omar al-Bashir over Sudan was ended by people for the establishment of democracy. The two major forces are fighting in Sudan over proposed transition to civilian rule. Third, about the Operation Kaveri. In 20 days, almost 4,000 Indians were rescued from Sudan. How? Well, the operation was so exciting and elaborate that a full movie or maybe a web series would do the justice to explain it. But still, just for our understanding, let's try. Indians and other nationals, mostly from the capital Khartoum, were shifted by road to Port Sudan. From there, they boarded INS Sumedha of the Indian Navy. The ship took them to Jeddah in Saudi Arabia. C-130J aircrafts of the Indian Air Force were on standby at Jeddah, which took batches of evacuees to India. One daredevil Hollywood-style airlift of 121 Indians was done by a C-130J aircraft of the Indian Air Force from Wadi Sedan Air Base in Sudan as well. Private airline Indigo also participated in this rescue mission. Last but not the least, Operation Kaveri was not the first rescue mission conducted by the Indian government to protect its citizens. Over the decades, the Government of India has conducted several hair-raising rescue operations of its citizens like After the Kuwait airlift in 1990, Air India was registered in the Guinness World Records for executing the largest ever Air Evacuation Mission, microdose. By the way, India conducted joint military exercise with Japan in 2023. Watch here to learn more about it. Thanks for your time.